not going to believe the series of events that have taken place around this guy right here, Mark Zuckerberg, in the past 24 hours. Not only was a discovery made that the New Orleans attacker was wearing Meta glasses that actually aided him in his attack, as you can see in this article right here from CNN and many other outlets, but also just yesterday, Meta and Mark Zuckerberg announced that Dana White, the CEO of UFC, Ultimate Fighting Championship, was going to now be on the board of Meta. Dana White is known for allowing his fighters to basically say what they want and free speech. Everyone knows he's very, very close with Donald Trump. Everyone knows that Mark Zuckerberg was just at Mar-a-Lago. And a lot of people were asking questions, why would Dana White be on the board of Meta, which as we know is part of Instagram and Facebook and some of the highest censored websites on social media? Well, for those of you that don't know, Mark Zuckerberg happens to be a super heavy UFC fan. Not only that, but he gets VIP to every UFC event, and he's very close with Dana White also. During the campaign trail, all we saw was Dana White, Elon Musk, Donald Trump, Kid Rock, all these guys at these events promoting each other, having a good time. And now that the election's over, all this stuff is being intertwined. I mean, think about this. Did you know at one point Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk were going to have a boxing match or some sort of MMA fight? And Dana White was going to be the one to set it up. In one way or another, these guys have always been connected. And then within a single day, not only do we get an article that the New Orleans attacker used these Meta glasses that Mark Zuckerberg is wearing right here in this article, and then we find out Dana White is joining the board of Meta, and then we get this gold nugget from Zuckerberg himself announcing that he wants to go back to his roots.
We're going to get back to our roots
and focus on free speech when it comes to Instagram and Facebook, switching to a community note system as opposed to fact checkers.
More specifically, we're going to get rid of fact checkers and replace them with community notes similar to X.
My friends, you can't make this stuff up. We live in the freaking Twilight Zone. And now I'm seeing parts of my favorite things being intertwined with people that aren't my favorite at all, and I'm not liking it one bit. All right, my friends, tell me your thoughts down below. This is a fishy one. Zuckerberg is involved in a lot of things that we don't even know about, and the deeper you dig, you start to find out that all these people really do know each other, and they have for years. So whatever you want to make of that, go right ahead. Please leave me your thoughts down below. This is definitely a strange situation with all the history of these social media tycoons, as well as other billionaires from all walks of life. All right, my friends, I appreciate you all. Until the next one, take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.